Now, my name is Tsao Yun, and I'll be talking about the rise of TSMC. What's TSMC? TSMC is known as Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. They provide an industry-leading specialty technologies portfolio that complements its advanced technology leadership. And what happened this year? In October, US stocks stopped falling and rebounded after falling for the longest 4 consecutive weeks. The stock price has reached a new height earlier this year. As of June 2020, TSMC is the manufacturer selected for production of Apple's 5 nanometer ARM processor. And along with the new iPhone 12 publication, the stock price might rise again. Some hedge funds can be benefit a lot from short selling to high-tech stocks. However, because TSM is funded by foreign capital, therefore the stock prices are usually stable and be able to have a good performance. However, we still need to be careful that investors continue moving out of big tech stocks along with the US presidential election. Even with such amazing performances it had, there is still uncertainty for the market.